What is up, guys? Alright, so I know it's been a little while since I posted or uploaded, and I haven't really given you much of an update. I've really been dealing with a lot. But this is I think I showed you the Trans Am already. I haven't really done much to it. I'll do a quick walk around, then I'll head over to the 86, which is on the other side of the house, and kind of bring you up to speed on that. And then I have to run to the store, get some rat food for my fiance's pet rats. And then, yeah, hopefully by the end of this video, everybody will be all caught up and I will actually start working on another. It's been raining. I was going to do a video yesterday, since I was off. I was going to go, so I'm planning to do like review videos. I want to get in and start doing review videos. And the first one I was going to review only obviously made sense to review my Corolla. But yeah, so the 86 or the Trans Am, the 305, I think the rings are bad in it. It's got a lot of blow by. I still want to find some glass T-tops, because these plexiglass, it looks all like cracked and shattered and ugly and shit under the paint, which is why I'm assuming. I'm assuming, which is why they got painted, and then some, I guess, painted high on them. I'll show you under the hood real quick, because I don't think I've showed you since I put the high-rise valve covers on it and everything. Just clean up the engine bay for now. That's when I noticed that that there was a lot of blow-by, and you know, hard telling. This engine's out of a 1976 to 79 carbureted, so it's probably seen its fair share of use. So far, plans is I start a new job here soon. Should be making a decent amount more than I am now. And my dad has the Pontiac 400 big block sitting in the garage, which we'll get to all that later. But basically, I'm going to try to buy that. He's already said just give him some money and I can have the 400. So I'm going to buy that 400 and rebuild it and put it in this. Oh, this is heavy, bitch. Yeah, I mean, it looks all right. A little chrome thermostat housing, and you know, the chrome Moroso valve covers and chrome Edelbrock air filter. Just little shit. I'll start it up in a little while because I really don't need to. But yeah, so let's head over to the 86. All right, we're back at the 86. So Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, I think. I decided to work on it a little bit. There was a problem before, and I knew what the issue was. I was being lazy, didn't feel like messing with it. The throttle position sensor was bad. Alright, well. So it was causing it to act like it was running out of time, and I just so happened to have a spare throttle body from when I sold this car the first time. The dude gave me a spare intake and throttle body and a bunch of other stuff. So I went ahead and changed that, and it seems to be running a lot better now. See, before it was like when you just barely touch the gas, it would go, but then when you like mat it, it wouldn't. Like, it acted like it didn't have no power. So now they'll change the throttle position sensor and reset the timing properly. It accelerates under full load, which is fantastic. I'm going to show you the engine bay. Alright. Nice new throttle body. I gotta clean those hoses up. They kind of look like shit. I can just get some caps for them, but for now they just got screws in the end of them. They'll be alright. Yeah. We're running good and driving good. I actually did post this car up for sale at trade, but I'm only willing to trade it for one thing, and that is an S30 chassis Datsun Z. 240, 260, 280. I prefer 240 because it's got the slim bumpers and I don't have to drill out the spot welds for the rear bumper garnish. But 240, 260, 280. Z is the only thing I will trade this car for. The only reason I would sell it is if I could buy a 260, 240, or 280Z. Other than that, I'm not interested in selling it or trading it for anything else. So unless I get offered something or something in decent shape, this car's not going anywhere. Now, my fiance just pulled in and I was supposed to go get rat food, so we're gonna go do that.